Okay, so this is Tessa Weinstein, and we're going to do an example in Calculus and Analytical Geometry 1. I've never used this program before, so you're going to have to bear with me. This is my first recording ever. So we want to simplify difference quotient f of x minus f of a all over x minus a for the function f of x equals x squared plus 2x. So let's get started and see how we solve this problem. So f of x minus f of a all over x minus a. Now, f of x, this piece right here, is just given to us here. So we're just going to go ahead and copy that down. That's, oops. Not just copy down f of x, copy down the formula that we're given. So that is, if this will let me write, x squared plus 2x. And now we're going to follow these instructions here, and we're going to subtract f of a. So what this means is that when we look up here at f of x, wherever we see x, we're going to replace it with a. And we're going to use a parenthesis because we're going to want to distribute this negative sign right here. So we have a squared plus 2a all divided by x minus a. So the next step is going to be to distribute this negative sign to both of these terms. So we have x squared plus 2x minus a squared minus 2a all over x minus a. So now you might look at this and think, well, there's nothing else to do, but really the ultimate goal here is to get this x minus a on the bottom to reduce with something on the top. So we're going to group the terms on the top in some sort of clever way. And so we'll do this by grouping the x squared and the minus a squared term together, and then we're also going to group the 2x and the minus 2a term together. So again, we're going to group these two terms, and we're going to go ahead and group these terms here. Doing so, we have x squared minus a squared plus 2x minus 2a all divided by x minus a. Now, you might remember from algebra, these terms here, x squared minus a squared, this is called the difference of two squares, and it factors as x minus a times x plus a. And now if we look at these terms here, we see that a 2 factors out of both of them. So plus 2 times x minus a and this is still all divided by x minus a. I made a boo-boo right here, but I don't know how to get rid of it, so we're just going to move on. Ignore that little mark. Okay, so now what we should see is that x minus a and x minus a is common to both of these terms, which is exactly what we want because there's an x minus a in the bottom. So we are going to factor x minus a out of both of those terms. What's left here in this first term is an x plus a, and in the second term is a plus 2. So when we factor out x minus a, we have x plus a plus 2 left over in parentheses, all divided by x minus a. So now x minus a on the top and the x minus a on the bottom can be canceled, and we're left with x plus a plus 2 as our final answer. Now we can sort of back out here and have a look at the whole process, and that's an example of how to simplify this difference quotient.